Hey, what's up YouTube? It's Luke W coming back at you guys again today with another video. I hope you all are having a wonderful day. In this one, we're going to be talking about the top 5 things you need to know before you start selling on Amazon. The first of those is actually that there's 3 different methods that you can sell on Amazon with. There's retail arbitrage, online arbitrage, and private labeling your own products. I find private labeling to be the most fun and more profitable way to sell, but what are these retail arbitrage options, you may ask? These are actually where you buy a product that's already existing, that's on clearance or just a very low price, and you can buy it in either a store, that's retail arbitrage, you're going into retail outlets and buying a product, then shipping it into Amazon and listing it on a pre-existing listing. The same goes for online arbitrage. That's where you're finding deals online of a product. You can order it home and package it, put Amazon labels on it, and then ship it into Amazon yourself. But I like private labeling. That's where you start from scratch. You can build your own brand. You find a product that's selling well on Amazon already there's just one tool that you need to do that, and it's Jungle Scout. There's the Chrome extension, which shows you the demand versus the competition of particular products. You can also look at the revenue there as well, so it gives you a great baseline of how that product is doing. Once you find one that's not too competitive but has a lot of demand, you'll simply go to Alibaba.com, find a supplier that's selling that product, and these guys are really easy to talk to actually. I'll get to that point later on. But you're gonna buy from them and they will ship like 100 units or more than that if you want directly into Amazon warehouses, and then you can start selling that product. Of course, you have to create your own listing, rank it up to the first page, and guys, I do have an Amazon course, so if you check it down below, it's the first link. You're gonna learn how to do all this stuff step by step. It doesn't matter if you're 14 or 75 or whatever. You guys can all learn this stuff. The way the internet is going, anyone has an opportunity to be an entrepreneur in this day and age. So those are the top 3 business models you can use to start selling on Amazon. Now the second top thing I want to let you guys know is it's not always about just beating your competitors. If you focus on giving value to your customers, oftentimes if you just solely focus on that, you're just going to beat out your competitors anyway, guys. It comes down to your listing and everything else and looking better than your competitors, but if your product overall has a better perceived value and an actual value, then you're going to do a lot better than your competitors. Simply, you can look at Amazon and it has all the information for you there. You can look at your competitors' reviews, look at the negative reviews of competing products, and then go tell your supplier, hey, I want it to be stronger in this area, I want it to be longer in this area, and you're simply going to be able to make an all-around better product. You can look at the frequently bought together section and find items that you can bundle with your main product that might cost you 50 extra cents, but it's going to separate you and differentiate you from all your other competitors. Just focus on being a couple steps of your competitors by looking at their listings, seeing what you can improve on. Don't just copy their listings word for word, even if it's the top competitor who's making all the sales. If you look at his listing or her listing, tweak it a little bit better to make it more appealing for your customers, you're going to be better in the long run. If you focus on your customers, you're going to be a winner. Okay, now the third top thing you guys need to realize before you start selling on Amazon is that revenue is not always king. You need to focus on what your profit margins are going to be for your products. You see people holding up their phones on YouTube showing all the crazy numbers, making $10,000 a week in revenue, and that's really good. That's a great baseline to start building your business and getting those sales coming. Later, of course, you can increase your prices to increase your profit margin, but you need to use a tool called AMZ Scout. It's a free tool. You can plug it right into your Google Chrome browser and it will show you the actual profit margins. If you buy a product over at Alibaba for $5 and you're expecting to sell it for $25, the AMZ fee calculator will incorporate all of the Amazon fees. Of course, we're selling on Amazon's platform. They're giving us millions of viewers and all this traffic to our product. There is a fee to sell on Amazon and for them to pick it, pack it, and store it in their warehouse, ship it out to customers, all that. The chunk Amazon takes out of your profits for doing all those services is not even that much in the long run, but you need to use these fee calculators to see exactly what profit margins you guys are going to make. Okay, now I have my notes here. The fourth thing that you guys need to know before selling on Amazon are some of the logistics. You're talking about suppliers and shipping and inventory. Suppliers, they really, when you're talking to them on Alibaba, they want short, sweet, concise messages. They're not going to want a huge paragraph from you. I have templates in my course as well that you guys can read and just send those basically word for word and just put in your name and your product and basically fill in the blanks. Your suppliers are then going to have everything they need to know to get back to you with a great quotation on shipping price, how much it's going to cost for you to put your logo on your product and your barcodes and shipping labels, all that stuff. And again, negotiation tactics are going to be huge with suppliers. I also cover a lot of that in my course as well, guys. So there's also another thing you can think about with shipping. There's sea shipping and air shipping. With sea shipping, it's going to take about a month to get into Amazon. That's why I recommend air shipping for your first order. Definitely, just test out maybe with 100 units, get a lightweight object. It's not going to cost a lot for you to ship. You can feel the waters out with Amazon and go ahead and get that product in, test it out, get the practice of shipping from China into Amazon, making that listing. It's all going to be good after that, guys. So you can do 3-day air shipping. That's as fast as 3 days with DHL door-to-door air shipping, guys. So it's really low risk in the end, guys. If you just get 50 to 100 units and just feel out how Amazon works, practice talking to suppliers and shipping in inventory, and that's the best way to do it, guys. So tip number 5 is straight up just get started, guys. A lot of you that are working these 9-to-5 jobs, you have some free time. Just start by watching YouTube videos for free and realize up to the point that, hey, I can actually do this, and then start looking into getting a mentor or an Amazon course. And there's a lot of them out there, guys. Mine is literally like $297, so it's a really small investment. I have 16 students at this point. And if you guys, find this channel like you did, you found my channel. I only have 2,000 subscribers. Sorry about that, guys. My camera died. But as I was saying, I only have 2,000 subscribers, and there's these other channels with hundreds of thousands of subscribers. And these guys, honestly, they're making a ton of money with these Amazon courses, but they're not really able to reach out and help their students like they so claim a lot of the time. So that's what I'm here for, guys. I have a small channel, and in this small channel stage of my journey as an entrepreneur, I'm really looking to hone in and help my students as best as I possibly can. So that's why I recommend you guys go ahead, click the first link down below in the description, check out the Amazon course, and if you have any other questions about it, just feel free to reach out to me, guys. Take action, get started, start investing in this, guys. You go spend, $300 every weekend on some drinks, some people do that. And that's a lot of money to just blow, on something that is used up immediately. With this course, you're able to watch it and rewatch it as many times as you want. You have a private Facebook group, and you have my mentorship, and I'm going to be there for you guys. I'll literally give you my phone number if you want, and we can talk back and forth on the phone. And once you finish the course, we'll get on a Skype call if you want, and we can just walk through everything together and get you kicking off your product in the right way. So that's what it comes down to, guys. Just pull the trigger, take action, and I will love to see you guys and meet you who are willing to do that. I like seeing serious people that are down for this stuff. So if you guys are, reach out to me. And until the next video, guys, I will see you later. Peace out.